just north of Hammer right now, getting ready to get around like the Panda area. Yep. Yeah. Yep. Good. Yeah, we're coming up south. It's right in front of us. Actually, you can see it right over the hill below. Yeah, it actually is. I think there's 3 spots that got potential. It's like a string in this line where the main towers are that are rotating. So that's where we're trying to hit the southern right now. We're getting there. We're trying to get out of this little pipsqueak storm down over Jones. Now we can see it.
Nasty.
Yeah, we're getting there. Yeah, Marion went off.
Oh, that's good.
Yeah, that's inflow, buddy. See it right in front of us? See the striation?
Yeah.
Yep, there's Corkscrew. Sean, hey, there it is.
Hey, is that it?
I think we have it. Okay. Yeah, there's one on the right and there's one in the center with a big one, I guess. But that's a nice mesocycle. Wow, that looks pretty impressive. I think we got one. Okay, Ian, I'm gonna have to let you go. Okay, we're getting video right now. Alright, talk to you later.
Damn, these trees.
That's it, right in front of us. Possibly off to the right, too. It could be a little satellite. Satellite or a, what do you call that?
Sister?
No, a
multi-vortex?
Gust front tornado.
Gust front, yeah.
That's a nice meso, though.
Yeah.
Beautiful.
Was that a meso or a tornado we saw?
This is the mesocycle.
Oh, but did you see that lowering?
Yeah, the lowering on the right.
Yeah.
Like I said, could have been a gustnado possibly forming. Right under this main part of this meso is where we're going to be looking for the main parent tornado.
Okay.
That's definitely, man, that looks really nice. That's pretty. Good looking meso. We got one right over here too, so we got to be good.
Yeah, definitely. Oh my God!
See that moisture flowing out from the tent from the back end.
Hello? What's a tornado coming through Hearst? We're on something, so we're good. We're up. Oh yeah, we're on something.
Yeah, that's nice.
Yeah. We're doing good. So, all right, bye. My uncle's like, you should have stayed in Hearst. It's like, no, you don't know what the hell you're talking about.
We just talked about the warning.
Yeah, he thinks that just because there's a warning that.
Over there, right. It's going to be about 2 or 3 o'clock.
It's probably the clearest we're going to get. Wow. Gotta get out.
Yeah. No lightning. Two different cloud directions.
Yeah.
This is feeding into that. See it mixing over there?
Yeah.
You can literally watch it mixing. Both of them trying to work and operate. The tornado's going to be right over there, right on this back edge.
Yeah.
You can see it rotating right here. Real nice.
Yeah.
I made video. That's video.
That ain't something straight ahead there, is it?
So,
Those dips coming out of the sky?
no. No,
Oh,
actually,
okay.
it's going to be right there.
Right in there.
See how that's leaned over this way?
Yeah.
Cloud's moving that way. These low level, it's going to pop out right there.
Okay.
Yeah. See, that's striating.
Yeah.
See it going that way?
Uh-huh.
That's area of rotation. We need to call this in because that's a rotating wall cloud. Can you get us on GPS where we're at exactly?
Maybe.
South winds 10 to 15 miles per hour.